children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the same topic of measurements children. Yes children, what you observed in yesterday's video children, we measured long years ago children, we used to measure the handspan, finger, cubit, foot, pace, this like this children. But in the coming years, see for every, with the body parts we use it to measure no, but now we are using to measure with the scales, tapes. If you go to the cloth shop children, what you can see here, meter scale, tapes, like this children, okay. So here you see, this is the scale children, okay. Ruler also we can call it, already you know everyone. Here you see, in this scale have centimeters, see numbers, okay. 50 numbers you can see children here, and in that between two numbers we have some small lines, okay. So these are the centimeters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, 15 centimeter scale it is. And in this small lines we have now here between two numbers, those are the millimeters. So nowadays we are using to measure here centimeter scale, millimeter for very small things. To measure the very small things we use a millimeter scale, and centimeters and meters, kilometers, meters and kilometers, very far distance. Kilometers we measure for measuring the distance from one village to another village. It's too long no children, so we measure that into the kilometers, and meters also. Now coming to here, millimeters are very smaller than the millimeters are smaller than the centimeters. Centimeters are smaller than the meters, and meters are smaller than the kilometers. Okay. So here we are measurement of lengths. Okay. We are using these measures for lengths. Okay. And what is the standard measures for measuring the length here? Standard measures here. Standard measures for length, we take it meters. Standard measure for length is meters. Okay. Come on, let's do the problems and conversions on the measurements. Yes, children, have a look at this lengths and conversions children here. First, before doing the conversions, I will look at this formula. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. To measure the 1 meter, we require the 100 centimeters, or else we have the 1 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. When we are converting from meters to centimeters, so 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And have a look at this. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer distance is equals to 1000 meters here. Okay. Now come on. First one you see, we need to convert into centimeters. Means the given question is 16 meters. We need to convert that 16 meters into the centimeters. We are converting meters into the centimeters. Okay. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So that we need to take here. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, nothing but here the given question is 16 meters. Yes children, 1 we know, in the previous classes also we know, we did children, 1 we know and more we are finding, nothing but you need to do multiplication. Yes, here you see 1 meter is 100 centimeters and the given question is 16 meters. Okay, so 1 we know, more we are finding, nothing but we need to do the multiplication. So 16 into 100. 16 into 100 centimeters. Okay, so 16 into 100 centimeters nothing but here you can do multiplication children. 100 into 16. 16 zeros are 0, 16 zeros are 0, 16 ones are 16. So 1600 centimeters. So 16 meters is equals to 1600 centimeters. We converted the meters into centimeters. We required the answer into the centimeters. So we got the answer into the centimeters. So this is the answer, children. Come on, let's do this problem here. Now the given question is 18 meters 5 centimeters into the centimeters, children. Okay. So here the problem is the question is given in meters as well as centimeters. Okay. So first you convert this meters number into the centimeters. Later on we will see about the 5 centimeters, children. Okay. So as it is, I am taking the first you see the same formula we need to take here. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Yes. So the given is 18 meters. First let me take the 18 meters, children. So 18 meters is equals to 18 into 100 centimeters. Yes. The given question meters number only I am taking down, children. 18 meters nothing but 18 into 100. Okay. 18 into 100 means let's simplify here. 18 zeros are 0. 18 zeros are 0. Something number with the multiplying by the 0 means 0 only you will get answer. Now 18 ones are 18. So when you are multiplying here 18 meters is equals to 1800 centimeters we got and we are multiplying this. Okay. Still we have 5 meters here, 5 centimeters in them. Okay. Still we have 5 centimeters no. So here 18 meters 5 centimeters. So instead of 18 meters, I can take here 1800 centimeters and whatever the extra centimeters has given that we need to add. Okay. So 5 centimeters. So 1800 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5. I am adding here only. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0, 8, 1 means the final answer will be 1805 centimeters. So 18 meters, 5 centimeters when we are converting into the total centimeters. So it will be 1805 centimeters. Come on, let's do the next one here. Convert into meters. So the given questions has given centimeters and here also centimeters. We need to convert into the meters. How we can convert into the meters here? First you need to take the meters, centimeters. What is the formula by using the meters, centimeters? The 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters only, children. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So meter number given means we can multiply, children. Okay. But they given centimeters number. Centimeters number nothing but we are converting centimeters number to the meters number. Yes. So centimeters number to the meters number means centimeters are the smaller measures. Already I told you now in this video only. Centimeters are the smaller measures and meters are the bigger measures. Yes. Smaller measures to bigger measures when you are converting, you need to do division, children. Okay. You need to do division. Keep in mind here when the smaller measurements in the question and we are converting in the answer, converting into the bigger measurements. So there you need to do division, children. And bigger measurement to nothing but meters to centimeters. There go here. Meters number given, you are converting into the centimeters. So here bigger measurements you are converting into the smaller measurements. No, there you need to do multiplication. Yes. When, keep in mind, children, when the smaller measurements you are converting into the bigger measurements, you need to do division, and when the bigger measurements when you are converting into the smaller measurements, you need to do multiplication. Now the given question is centimeters, means centimeters we are converting into the small meters. So centimeters are the smaller, we are converting into the meters which is big. So smaller to bigger we are converting, smaller to bigger we are converting nothing but there you need to do the division. What division you need to do here? The given number 817 centimeters you need to divide by 100. 817 divided by 100. So when you are dividing by 100 children, so here you see no need to do the division children. When you are dividing by 10, 100 or 1000, direct answer you can make. Last 2 zeros children, you can take it as a remainder, nothing but you can take it as a centimeter, smaller measurements. In this 2, centimeter is a smaller measurement, no? So here 17 centimeters, the other number is meters. So 8 meters, 17 centimeters. Okay, 8 meters, 17 centimeters. Without doing the division also you can write children. Okay, here 100 nothing but 2 zeros we have, means last 2 digits will be the smaller measurements and the outer number will be the bigger measurements, means 8 meters, 17 centimeters. Coming to this problem children, here also the given question is centimeters and we are converting that into the, means the answer we should get into the meters and centimeters. Okay, here the answer will get the meters and centimeters also children. Okay, so but here centimeter smaller one we are changing into the meters, bigger one. So smaller one changing into the bigger one, nothing but division. Come on here, first you write the formula related to that, meters and centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So the given number 9190 centimeters. So now 9190 you need to divide by 100. You need to divide by 100. Come on, here 2 zeros children. So 2 zeros nothing but last 2 digits will be smaller measurements which are centimeters and outer one 91 meters, 90 centimeters. Now I converted the total centimeters into the meters and centimeters. Yes children, have a look at the next bit here. Convert into meters. Okay. Now the given question in kilometers children, that we need to convert into the meters. Okay. See here the given question in kilometers. Have a look at here children. The given question in kilometers and this we are converting into the meters. Okay. The kilometers we are converting into the meters. Okay. So kilometers, first you compare these two children. Kilometers are bigger measurements than the meters, which are smaller measurements. So here we are converting the bigger measurements to smaller measurements. When you are converting bigger measurement to smaller measurement, I told you children here multiplication you need to do. Okay. Now, and when you are converting smaller measurements which are in the next bit meters, we are converting into the kilometers. Okay, meters, smaller measurements we are converting into the kilometers which are bigger measurements. So smaller to bigger measurements when you are converting children, you need to do their division. Smaller measurement to bigger measurements when you are converting here, division, and bigger measurement to smaller measurements when you are converting, you need to do multiplication. And have a look at here, kilometers and meters. Here you see here, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. We need to take this step now here. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Why? Because the given question is related to kilometers and meters. Come on, have a look at the solution here. First, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. And here we are converting the bigger measurements which are kilometers into the smaller measurements which are meters. Means bigger to smaller when you are converting, you need to do multiply, means multiplication. Okay, what numbers you need to multiply? The given question number 5 kilometers, you need to multiply by the formula number which are 1000 meters. Okay, so 5 kilometers is equals to 1 kilometer is 1000 means 5 kilometers is 5 into 1000, nothing but 5000 kilometers. Sorry, 5000 meters. You can do simplification also. 1000 into 5 children. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So 5000 meters. 5 kilometers are, we are converted into the meters which are 5000 meters. Come on, have a look at this problem children. Now here in this problem, they given kilometer number as well as meter number. Okay, first let's change the kilometers number. Before that, first you write the formula, which is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. First I am taking only kilometer number which are 3 kilometer in this question. Okay, now 3 kilometer means 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000 meters. 3 into 1 into 1000 is 1000, 2 into 1000 is 2000, 3 into 1000 is 3000, 5 into 1000 is 5000. So here 3 into 1000 is 3000 children. So 3000 meters. Okay, or else you can multiply 1000 by the 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. We got 3000 only now. So if you know directly you can write, or else you multiply and write. Now this is the answer of only 3 kilometers. But still the question is left 255 meters. Okay, let's take down the total question. 3 kilometers, 255 meters. Okay, 3 kilometers, 255 meters. 3 kilometers means already we know here 3000 meters plus whatever the extra they given meters, that we need to add 225 meters. Meters both are same, no, you can add that. Okay, 3000, here I am adding 3255 plus here 3000 meters plus 255 meters. Come on, answer also you will get in meters only. 0 plus 5 0, sorry 5, 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 2 2. Here 3 has it is. So the answer will be 3255. Sorry, here 55 children. So 3255 meters. Okay. So 3 kilometers to 255 meters will be, if we change into the total meters, so it will be 3255 meters. Now coming to this here, the smaller measurements meters has given in question children, and we need to convert into the kilometers which are bigger. Okay, so smaller measurements we are converting into the bigger measurement. Smaller measurements when we are converting into the bigger, we need to do division children. Okay, so let's divide here. But what we need to divide here? So first formula, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So the given number 2009, you need to divide by 1000. The given number 2009, you need to divide by 1000 meters. Here division means already I told you in the previous also children, when you are dividing with the 10 or with the 1000 or with the 100, no need to do the division, direct answer we can write. It depends on the zeros. Here 3 zeros if you have means last 3 digits will be the smaller measurements and the other numbers will be the bigger measurements. Okay. So last 3 zeros means last 3 digits will be the smaller measurements. Means what smaller measurements in this here? Smaller measurements are meters. Okay. And bigger measurements are kilometers. So here nothing but 2 kilometers 009 meters. 009 meters means nothing but again 9 meters. Means the answer will be 2 kilometers 9 meters. Okay. So 2009 meters will be, if we change it to the kilometers and meters, so it will be 2 kilometers and 009 nothing but it is 9 only 9 meters. Now let's do this solution here. Again here also meters number we are converting into the centimeter, meters number we are converting into the kilometers, means smaller measurements we are converting into the bigger measurements children. You need to do division here. So first before that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now given question is 5209 meters. So 5209 meters we need to divide by 1000 meters. 1000 nothing but again 3 zeros now here. So last 3 digits will be the smaller measurements. The other numbers will be the bigger measurements. So bigger measurements nothing but 5. 5 comes under the bigger measurements which are kilometers. And 209 meters. Okay. So 5209 meters nothing but when we converting it to the kilometers, it will be 5 kilometers 209 meters. Yeah, children. Did you understand, children? In the conversion, you keep in mind, children, when the smaller, not only kilometers, not only kilometers, meters, and not only meters and centimeters, children. Here you should keep in mind here when the bigger measurements, when we are converting into the smaller, bigger measurements means question number measurements. Okay, and this is the heading measurements. Convert into after this measurements. Okay, so the bigger measurements, when you are converting into the smaller measurements, you need to do the multiplication, and when the smaller measurements, when you are converting into the bigger measurements, you need to do the division. Whatever the measurements, children, you need to follow this. Yes, children, I hope you understood the concept of measurements in that conversion, children. I do the worksheet on that. Here I will look at here, convert into centimeters. Okay, convert into centimeter. Given question is in 12 meters, means the meter number which is bigger, you are converting into the smaller, which is centimeters. So bigger to smaller, when you are converting, you need to multiply, children. The meters number you need to multiply with the 100 to get. See, and meters and centimeters formula is this, children. When they given meters and centimeters, you need to use this formula, which is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. If they give a combination of meters and kilometers, you need to take this formula, which is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Come on, have a look at this. The bigger measurements, the question measurements bigger, you are converting into the smaller, which is heading measurements. So bigger measurements, when you are converting into the smaller, you need to multiply. What multiply? The given question meters number you need to multiply with the 100 to get the centimeters. Okay. And coming to this problem, 13 meters and 9 centimeters. So the meters number, again the meters they given, children. First you give the preference for the first number, children. First measurements. So the meters you are converting into the centimeters. Okay. So the meters number you multiply by the 100. This is the bigger and smaller. So bigger to smaller means again multiplication, children. The meters number you multiply by the 100 to get into the centimeters, and as well as they given 9 centimeters extra. So after changing these 13 meters into the centimeters, later on you add the 9 centimeters. And now second one here, into meters. We need to change that into the meters. How to change into meters? The given question you see here, centimeter given, children. Okay, centimeters in the measurements, children, not means we have importance for numbers, but we have more importance for measuring, which are centimeters, meters, kilometers, like that, children. So now here you see the given question is given in centimeters, which are smaller. Okay, the small, don't think the number is big. You need to see the measurements. Okay, maybe the number will be the big, but the measurements will be the smaller. Okay, so give the importance to the measurements. Now centimeter is the smaller measurements you are converting into the meter. Smaller measurements, when you are converting into the meter, bigger one you need to divide, children. So you need to divide this number with the what here, meters, centimeters means with the 100. Yes, coming to B1, children, 5 kilometers 6 meters you are converting into the meters. Kilometers are bigger, children, always. Kilometers are bigger than the meters. So kilometers are bigger than the meter means bigger measurements when you are converting into the smaller. So there will be multiplication. Yes. So you need to multiply the kilometers number by the 1000. Why? Because kilometers, meters, this is okay. So by the 1000 to change into the meters, and as well as this extra 6 meters you need to add after multiplying here. Now coming to the last one here, into kilometers, you need to change into the kilometer. The given question is in meters. Okay. So the meters are smaller than the kilometers. So smaller measurements when you are converting into the bigger measurements, smaller measurements when you are converting into the bigger measurements, you need to subtract. Okay, smaller to bigger means you need to divide. Okay, so smaller to bigger means you need to divide. You need to divide the given number by what? Kilometers, meters related is 1000. So by 1000 you will get, children. Observe carefully the video and do this worksheet, children. Thank you.